Hi guys, welcome to the module 4. This module 4 we're going to check the perfect timing strategy, new hires and the role change. So what we're going to see in this module, we're going to see the people that are newly joined, maybe in 0 to 3 months, 0 to 1 month, 0 to 6 months, whatever filter you want to apply, and whom we're going to target. For example, if it is the sales department, probably going to look for the BPs or the heads on particular departments, because this is the time actually they're building their teams and everything. So we need to reach out those people, and this is already explained to you, and how to set up an alert, which already I have explained it to you in your in my previous modules. Okay, let's dive in. So when we come over there, as usual, we're starting with the people, and we're going to clear all the filters. Let's clear the filters, and we're going to reach out to the people in the role 0 to 3 months. So I'm not going to prolong the video. Already you get the idea, right? So you can select, if you have seen the previous modules, by now you already know what it is exactly. So you select the job titles, who you want to reach out to, and all the other filters you're going to apply, the location, the employees, the company, the industry, whatever you want. But the main thing that I want to show you, for example, I'm going to choose the job title. I'm going to choose the like BP of sales, BP sales, for example. Okay, BP sales, sales and marketing, any title you want, you can choose. And then I want you to come on the more filters. When you come over here, you'll see the many filters, like you can play around it. The one of these is the total years of experience, but this is a different discussion. But what I'm looking at right now is time in current role. Here it is. All right. So how long you want to choose is totally up to you. But if you want to reach, like, for example, the sales director, the sales BP, like CTO, like anyone who actually handle a team or things like that, I think when they join, like between, like, 0 to 1 month, 0 to 2 months, 0 to 3 months is the ideal time frame. For example, okay, minimum you can say month is oh sorry, maximum 3 months. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not sure. Is it minimum 3 months or maximum? Yeah, maximum 3 months. Yeah. So if it is 3 months, you can click outside. You can see that many number of records because we have not applied any other filters. But you get the idea, right? Also, if you want to employees by department, if you want to touch base, for example, if it is a sales, for example, okay, let me show you how to do it. For example, select the sales and put a minimum number of people you want for that department to have. For example, 10. Now you'll see the number will reduce. Now it comes down to 2,736. And then you apply these filters, and you use all of the filters as you want, and then you just simply select this as I have shown in the other modules, and then you just save as a new search. If you do so, let me save the new search, not a default people in role, for example, people like 3 months, for example. It's just the name you want. It's convenient for you. Give it a name, and once it is saved, this is what I wanted to show you. I think I have shown you like in a couple of times. So you just click over there and you click on the subscription, and then you choose, like, how frequently you want to receive the alerts. So anybody comes within this filter, you're going to receive the notification. So that being said, I'll see you on the module number